for watching Florida Outdoor Adventures. We're currently in Moab, Utah, and today's video is Corona Arch and Bowtie Arch. I've kind of gone from jeeping to motorcycling to hiking. Crazy. But anyways, I got the drone with me. I got the 360. So let's see what this trail is all about. It's 3 miles total round trip. And that Corona Arch is supposedly a really cool formation with a couple of obstacles to get there. So let's go check it out. Thanks for watching. If you like the video, subscribe and the like button and the little bell. And notice the first thing is that sign-in station, that little metal box there. And you're gonna keep walking. And you're gonna go over the railroad tracks. Look for the stop sign here for the listen for train sign. Far away, these metal fences look like it's all closed up, but it's not. It's just a little labyrinth. Right over here too. From far away, we thought maybe it was closed, especially with that stop sign back there. That's saying basically it's just saying be careful for the train. But yeah, you just go through here. Keep going. There is some uphill, but it's pretty mild. Me not being in shape, I'm able to do it. And you just follow these little green dots here on the rocks as you go up. Bring plenty of water with you. We're doing it in September, so it's actually nice and cool, but the sun is beating down on us and we're doing it late afternoon. So be careful if you do it like at noon in July. You might not make it. We're almost there. The handrail, so you don't fall down the side here. Even though this kind of rock is it's like sandpaper, so very difficult to slip off. I'm really not sure why I'm here and not at the Moab brewery right now, but I'm sure it'll be worth it when we get to the Corona Arch. Ruben, buddy, Ruben from Miami, you should be arriving into Moab right now. If you're calling me or sending me a WhatsApp, I have no signal, man. Look where I am. Look at this. That's definitely an ancient spaceship or something. Landing zone. If you're new to my channel, please subscribe and go back, I don't know, 100 videos, and you'll see me and my buddies riding in this area with our motorcycles, and a few more back with our Jeeps. What? It's kind of hard holding the 360. I'm climbing all this with my drone and a big Gatorade. Whew. There's Corona Arch right over there. I guess we're going to see it a little bit better once we get closer. but really cool sight to see, all these rocks here. That might be Bowtie Arch over there. There it is, Corona Arch. Not to be confused with Modelo or Pacifico. It's Corona. Okay. There's a railroad track we passed. It's time to set the drone free into its natural habitat. You enjoyed the Corona Arch hike. If you liked the video, please hit the like button and click subscribe.